All right. What happened?
My dog plucked out the earphone.
Okay. I was
Yeah.
thinking, yeah, maybe yeah, it's the baby. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, let's have this one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
When Phil fell, he picked up a nickel, nickel,
Nickel. Nickel.
nickel, nickel,
Mhm.
nickel, and put it in his pocket.
Okay.
Since your sins make no sense, I will send you to one of the 6 cells for the sinned.
Synod.
Sinned.
Mhm.
Sinned.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. When you read this as synod,
Yeah.
you're talking about the people.
People. Oh.
Okay, the people who commit sins. But when you read it as sinned,
Yeah.
meaning to say it's a past action of sinning. Okay,
Ah.
yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I am very impressed
Eh?
because I don't have any correction to give you for this one, meaning
Wow.
to say that you are able to really read them with a distinction between those two sounds. So
Wow.
perfect.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay.
All right. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but do you have any question?
Nope.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay. And you are going to do this homework part.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
please pronounce those sounds.
E. Huh?
Okay.
E. E. A. E.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Huh?
Number two.
Yeah. Willie will bend 20 tin bins with his legs.
Okay. Why are we still studying this? You are able to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So if there's no question, would you
Yeah.
like to move on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh, it would be difficult.
Why? What do you mean?
Oh, I heard from many NS course people
Mm-hmm.
that it is quite difficult.
This sound is quite difficult.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. How do you think it's going to sound like?
Eh?
One more time.
Eh?
Okay. Pronounce this one.
Eh?
Eh. Right?
Eh? Eh?
So this one, okay. I know we are not yet here in
Yeah.
this sound. Okay. But how do you suppose this is pronounced?
Ah?
Ah.
Ah.
Okay, you drop it. So this one should be a cross between those two. So it should sound like an eh and an ah combined. So it
Yeah.
should sound like ah.
Eh.
Okay, there. Okay,
Eh.
so this one,
Yeah.
if you're going to pronounce it, okay, so this one is somewhere here.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this, if this is the vowel chart,
Yeah.
okay, right. Okay, so the s should be somewhere here. So the
Oh.
a should be
Ah.
somewhere here,
Eh.
and the
Eh.
a is
Eh.
really somewhere there. So
Ah.
you should
Eh.
read it like
Eh. Ah.
eh.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So when you reach this part, your jaw has to have dropped already. It's
Oh.
really dropped. This one is mid. This one is higher.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Eh.
a,
Eh.
ah.
Ah.
Okay. So you
Eh.
notice the opening and the position of the jaw.
Yeah.
E,
Eh.
e,
Eh.
e,
Eh.
a.
Ah.
You open it
Eh.
midway, a, and
Eh.
then for this one you drop it, ah.
Ah.
Okay.
Ah.
Your tongue, okay,
Yeah.
for this sound, okay, you push it forward. The tip of your tongue has to be touching the back of your lower front teeth.
Ah.
Ah,
Eh.
okay.
Eh.
So this one, the lip round, it's unrounded.
Oh.
Okay, it's like
Yeah.
smiling.
Ah.
Ah,
Eh.
okay, and
Yeah.
it's relaxed. There
Oh,
shouldn't be any tension here.
yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, please pronounce it 3 times.
Air, air, air.
Okay.
Uh,
Pronounce eh.
air, air,
Okay.
air.
One more time. Okay. Pronounce it.
Ah,
Ah.
air, air, air.
Okay. Good. All right. So let's try to read this one. Ben.
Ben,
Okay. Sam.
Sam.
All right. Good. Okay. Go ahead. Please
Yeah.
read. Hmm.
Act, add.
All right.
Is it
Let's.
right?
It
Ooh.
will be right. It's
Oh.
not completely perfect yet. Okay, but it's
Yeah.
getting there. Okay. Let's have
Oh.
it.
Yeah. Oh. Bad.
Okay.
Black. Hmm?
Go ahead.
Yeah. Crab.
Okay. As long as it is not sounding like this one
Yeah.
or this one, it's
Yeah.
correct. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Next one.
Yeah. Drag.
What? What?
Fan. Huh?
Oh, you're
Drag.
here. All right. Drag.
Drag. Fan.
Mhm.
Jazz. Land. Man.
Okay.
Nag.
Mhm.
Prank. Prank. Huh? Prank.
Mhm. One more
R-
time.
prank.
Okay, good.
Rag. Blank. Blank. Blanket.
Okay, blanket.
Blanket.
All right.
Handle.
Mhm.
Damage.
Mhm.
Fashion. Fashion.
Mhm.
Happy.
Okay.
Plastic. Shampoo.
Okay.
Health.
All right.
Banana.
Okay. One more time for this one.
Oh,
Banana.
banana.
All right.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Is it easy? I think you found it easy because you
No.
no, not really, but you were
Yeah.
pronouncing them correctly.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Let's have this one.
yeah. Act. Add.
Mhm.
Ash. Absent. Astral. Huh?
Mhm. Yes.
Astral. Huh? Hmm?
Mhm.
Abstract. Accent.
Mhm.
Acid. Huh?
One more time.
Ah,
Acid.
acid.
Okay.
Addict. Huh? Addict.
One more time.
Addict.
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 Okay.
Addict.
Mhm.
Album.
Mhm.
Ellie. Ah, Ellie. Lee.
Okay.
Ah,
Lee. Okay.
Ellie. Aloe. Huh? Aloe.
Okay. Aloe.
Aloe. Anchor. Ah, apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Attitude.
Mhm. Uh-huh. Hold on.
Yeah.
One more time.
Attitude. Ah, ah, attitude.
Okay, it's supposed to be a long oo sound. Attitude.
Ah, attitude. T attitude.
Yeah, it's not chewed. Okay,
Ah,
not chew. Ooh,
mm,
tude.
at
Attitude.
attitude.
Okay, not
Ah,
chew. Okay.
ah,
Mhm.
attitude.
Mhm.
Attitude.
Tude. Okay.
Tude. Ah,
Mhm.
tude.
Okay.
At attitude. At
Attitude.
attitude.
Okay.
Attitude. Tude. Oh, Acc- accident.
Okay.
Actual.
Okay. One more time for this one.
Actual.
There are two vowel sounds here. Okay.
Oh,
So it should be actual. Actual.
actual.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
not actual,
Ah,
actual, actual.
actual.
Yes, okay.
Ah, actual.
Mhm.
Oh, actual. Africa.
Mhm.
Ah, alcohol.
Okay.
Uh, allergy.
Okay, allergy. All
Oh,
right.
yeah,
Very good.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, exceptions to the rule.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, ant.
Mm,
Uh, guarantee.
okay.
Uh,
Not
guar-
guarantee, but it should be guarantee.
guarantee.
Mhm.
Laugh. Laugh. Laughter.
Okay, laughter.
Laughter.
Oh, all right. There you go. Do you have any question for this one?
Actually, I don't have any questions, but I'm not sure if I am correct.
You are correct. Okay.
Yeah.
The um the um, the way for you to check if you are correct is you always check with the sound or the
Eh?
sound. If
Ah.
you don't sound like an you don't pronounce it as accident. Okay,
Yeah.
then you are okay. So be careful. Usually, the common mistake is for students to pronounce this with an sound. Okay, because
Yeah.
you don't open your mouth uh, wide enough for you to pronounce a.
Eh.
Okay,
Yeah.
a is halfway really.
Ah.
A is
Eh.
close. Okay,
Yeah. Eh.
and then a is
Eh.
midway. A
Oh.
is really open.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
Let's try our sentences.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh my God. I cannot differentiate.
Okay, let's try.
Oh, a fat. Oh, a
Okay,
fat. Ah.
go ahead. I will listen so that we can determine.
Okay. A fat black cat was mad when the can of ham fell on the pan.
Very good.
Oh,
Okay, because
yeah.
I was waiting for you to pronounce this one. If your is very distinct, then you are able to make the sound.
Oh,
So perfect. A fat black cat was mad when when the can of ham fell on the pan.
oh, oh.
Okay.
A teacher.
Hmm.
Can I underline before reading the sentence?
Of course. Why not? Uh huh. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Fat,
Oh,
black, eh? Is it right? Cat was mad when the can of a ham. Eh? Eh?
which ones?
Fell?
No, that's eh.
Eh?
Uh huh.
E. The pan. Eh?
Okay. Pan and one
Pan.
more.
One more? I'm
Yeah, one
mad.
more. Mad.
Uh,
Okay,
uh,
good. All right.
yeah.
Okay, what about number two?
Oh, Pam was talented
Pam.
actress who managed to land a contract with a man.
Okay, a couple more words.
Eh? Managed?
Manage.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Eh?
Two more.
Actress?
Yes. And another
Eh?
one.
One more?
Yes.
Tal, tal, talented.
Okay, talented.
Really?
Yes, really, you cannot pronounce it as talented. No, that's weird. Okay, so it's ah. Okay,
Ah,
Pam is a talented actress who managed to land a contract. Okay, even this one, a contract with the man.
wow, wow.
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
one more time.
yeah. Pam is talented actress who managed To land a contract with a man.
All right, good. Okay, last one before we really end.
Is
Okay.
okay? Is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. Just one more.
Okay, thank you. Mm. Then translated a
Mhm.
book about African
Okay.
and into 5 languages.
Okay. Languages. All right.
Language.
Okay. So
Yeah.
please read.
Yep. Then translated a book about African ants into 5 languages.
Okay. Languages.
Languages.
All right. Okay. You are able to pronounce it, Crystal.
Yeah.
Okay. But I think what you need to work on now would be like what you're doing, identifying which words would
Yeah.
have that sound.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. But to be able to pronounce it, you can.
Yep.
Okay. So, any question?
Nope. Nope. No.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, good night and
Yeah.
yeah, enjoy your sleep, okay?
Yeah. You
All
too.
right. I'll see you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Bye.